Hi, my name's Kieran. I'm a developer here at Surge, and today I'm going to be answering some frequently asked questions about development. Thank you. So, to kick things off, we have, what is a website developer? So, a website developer is someone who takes designs for websites or web applications and essentially brings them to life on your screen. Makes them look pretty. Next question, if I can pay it. What ice cream flavour sums up development? Oh, I know most people will probably say it's something boring like vanilla, but I would like to think with it being quite creative, I would give it like maybe lemon sorbet, something like that. How long does it take to learn website development? I would say on average it probably takes 3 to 4 months to learn all the necessary skills to be a qualified developer. Some people may pick it up quicker, it may take longer for others, but yeah, to learn the basics, 3 to 4 months. What should you avoid when developing an SEO website? So things to avoid mainly, especially to keep Google happy, is things like page speeds. So keeping them quick and snappy, making sure code is optimized and assets are optimized is a big win. To keep those page speeds down, especially if you've got loads of video or imagery that's quite large in file size, it can slow the page speed down, Google will get upset and your website won't be ranked as good. What did you want to be when you grew up? So originally I wanted to be a policeman or a PE teacher. Neither of those panned out, so I took a job as an apprentice web developer and I am here now, 11 years later. And finally, what is your standard office lunch? At the moment, it's quite boring. A ham and cheese sandwich or ham salad sandwich, some crisps and a chocolate bar with some fruit on the side, but I'm hoping to improve that soon. And on the other side, what tools should web developers know how to use? A big thing is probably Inspector on Chrome or Safari, Firefox, whichever browser you prefer to use. Some form of editor like PHP Storm or VS Code, especially when you can add in plugins which can help you with your development. They're probably the main things. Git is another one to make sure version tracking for your project is in place. So if anything goes wrong, you can move back. Multiple people can work on the same project at once, branching off and keeping everything nice and clean. What's one of your pet peeves? One of my pet peeves in the office is probably messiness. I like to keep my desk quite tidy, so if someone's got loads of stuff everywhere, it's a bit annoying. Do developers copy code from other websites? In theory, yes. We might change it slightly, or if you go on a website like Stack Overflow to try and find an answer to a problem you're having, it's very easy to try and copy and paste a solution, hope it works. If it doesn't, tweak it slightly and then hope it works after that. How long does it take to develop a website? Here at Surge, we aim for about 4 to 6 months, hopefully 4. But in theory, it can be as quick as a client needs it, as long as they're willing to pay the money for it. Or it can take longer if, for example, we hit road bumps in the road, or if clients just simply become unresponsive. What's the next item on your bucket list? It would probably be a trip to Iceland. I really like the scenery over there. I'd love to go around and explore it. I know they've got some volcanoes too, which would be pretty cool to see. And finally, what is part of your role that looks easy but is difficult? Probably the problem-solving aspect of it. So you can have anywhere from a semicolon missing, which could throw out an error, to something more complicated, which is quite deep in the code, which you have to do a lot of debugging to get to. But when you get it and it's fixed, it's a great feeling.